Life in the city moves fast, sometimes too fast. The noise, the crowds, the endless rush from one task to another, it all builds up. Shopping centers overflowing with people, traffic that never seems to end, restaurants packed so tightly you can barely hear your own thoughts. And in the middle of all this, you realize something important. You need to breathe. You need space. You need silence. So we made a decision. A simple one, but powerful. Leave the noise behind. Find a quiet place. Reconnect with nature and with ourselves. We packed our luggage, loaded the car, and of course, I packed all my camera gear. My cameras are more than tools. They're my memory keepers. One day, when I'm old, these images and videos will be the stories that keep my heart young. They will remind me of the adventures, the laughter, the moments that shaped my life. With my action camera fixed to the windscreen, we began our journey. The road stretched ahead like a promise, rolling hills, open skies, and the slow fading of city chaos behind us. Every kilometer felt like shedding a layer of stress. Every turn brought us closer to peace. After a beautiful drive, we reached our destination. RedGround Cottage in Oberon, a semi-rural paradise. A cozy 2-bedroom cottage with a warm kitchen, a spacious lounge, a clean modern bathroom, and a wide outdoor terrace overlooking a breathtaking panoramic landscape. The place was spotless, beautifully maintained, and surrounded by nature. And everywhere we looked, kangaroos. Peaceful, wild, and completely at home. We arrived around 11:30 a.m. on Christmas Eve. After unloading our things, we settled into the calmness of the place. That night, we kept it simple, just family time. Waiting for midnight, exchanging gifts, and enjoying the kind of silence you can only find far from a city. The next morning, after a late night and an even later wake-up, we had breakfast and set out to explore. My wife and I were searching for scenic spots because we had planned to shoot a Bollywood-style music video. And this place, it was perfect. Rolling fields, open skies, golden light. Every corner looked like a film set waiting for a story. On the third day, creativity took over. More filming, more photography, and even drone flights capturing the vast beauty from above. To watch the Bollywood song video, click the link below in the description. That day, I was lucky enough to photograph a magnificent bird, maybe an eagle, maybe a falcon. And early in the morning, while filming kangaroos, I captured something rare. A boxing match between 2 kangaroos. A moment I'll never forget. That night, my wife prepared a special seafood dinner. Lobster soup, tiger prawns, and a meal filled with love. After a long day of adventure, it was the perfect ending. On the 4th day, we woke up with a little sadness. It was time to pack up and leave. But as we loaded the car, I realized something. We were leaving calmer, happier, and lighter than when we arrived. This trip wasn't just a holiday. It was healing. It was a reminder that sometimes, stepping away is the best way to find yourself again. As we drove back to the city, I looked at my cameras and smiled. These memories, these moments, will stay with us forever. And one day, when I'm old, I'll watch them again. and they will keep my mind young, my heart warm, and my soul alive. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos.